Jan to give the certificate of appreciation.
Yeah. The citation or the certificate will read as follows. Certificate of appreciation is given to Mr. Rafael Vincent F. Mooney in sincere acknowledgement for the valuable contribution in sharing his skills and knowledge as resource speaker, trainer in the conduct of the formulation workshop on Hilamas MDRM plan calendar year 2025 to 2027 on from June 18 to 2024, given this 21st day of June 2024 at Hotel Lorenza, Tacloban City. Signed, Local Chief Executive Honorable Manuel R. Hermosa. So, okay, so thank you. So with that ends our 4-day workshop. So daghang salamat. O maging hapon, ready na